Government has embedded itself in everything we do at the federal level. Federal taxes, DOT cards, this real ID, which I don't have, so I'm not allowed to fly. I don't care. I'll ride that or I'll drive my truck. If I need to go somewhere, I'll be there in a couple days. The way I see it. If you have a CDL, you have to jump through hoops for them. Your analysis testing and all that crazy stuff. To make the roads safer, right? It's all about saving lives. Until it comes to abortion, did you know that last year, 2019, over 600,000 children were killed in this country? 600,000. Most of them from poor and minority groups. Low income, minority, and poor. 600,000, folks. And it's all about saving lives. You can go blow that smoke somewhere else, because it ain't about saving lives. They don't care about your life. They don't care about mine either. So, need to think about this stuff. Seatbelts. It's not about saving lives. It's about saving the insurance company's money. That's what it's about. Mask mandates. It's not about saving lives. It's about control. The vaccine mandate is about control as well. So here is a living virus